guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller, which means that I buy stuff and I resell online for profit. I am a full-time postal worker. I work 40 plus hours a week, so I do this on the side. It helps to fulfill the shopping need. It's very therapeutic for me. It's a little overwhelming when I buy so much though, and I have a hard time listing. So I am starting to do lives, and we decided to put it off until Monday night because Tuesday I don't have to be at work at 4 a.m. like I normally am scheduled. But yeah, so I tried to do these thrift hauls. They help keep me accountable, or they are meant to help keep me accountable and list. And if anybody is interested in any of the items that I have picked up, feel free to message me on Instagram. I have linked it down below. Yeah, so just hit me up. So the first thing I picked up is this t-shirt. I actually have worn it. It's very comfortable. I might resell it. It says sarcasm fills the void where my soul used to be. Yeah. So if you haven't noticed already, I am totally into the graphic tees. This is one that I have that I am going to probably sell tomorrow on the live on Instagram. But yeah, graphic tees are my thing. Hopefully one day I can design, and hopefully one day I can sell them online at one of those print on demand things. So anyways, for now, I just pick up the thrifted ones and sell them. This is by a brand called Black Matter. It is a size large, made in Honduras. Very high quality t-shirt material. It's got that distressed kind of fade to it. The next thing I picked up are these J. Crew. They are a chambray little short with a little tie in the front. Very, very cute. I'll probably do these at the sale too. The theme tomorrow is like summer vibes. So anything that you can think of for summer can be shorts, bathing suits, linen, silk. I have some men's silk tops, some tropical tops as well, some caftans. I have some caftans. I really don't have a lot of shoes, but I have jewelry. Anyways, I got these J. Crews, and I love colorful and bright vintage items. This is so cute. It is like a sweater material here. It says it's 100% polyester by a brand called Felipe Marquez. But this feels like silk, and this feels like a micro suede. So even though it's 100% polyester, it is 3 different kinds of textures, but it's very, very cute. The back is that silky material. Got shoulder pads. Fun. Very, very fun. And I love to pick up vintage like lingerie. This one is by Oscar de la Renta. It's the pink label. It is a size small. It is a very gorgeous peachy. It's got that lace at the top. It's long. It's one of those long nightgowns. Great. It's in great condition. But yeah, I think that'll do well. And another thing I like to pick up is like white lingerie, because you can market it as being bridal, wedding kind of stuff. There's a little fuzz, but this one's gorgeous. It's a little robe. It's by a brand called Linea Donatella. It's very stretchy lace at the top. It is a size large, extra large, 100% polyester, made in Cambodia. Super cute, very sheer. So yeah, honeymoon, bridal, that kind of stuff. And the last clothing piece I have So my Goodwill is now doing things a little bit different. One of my friends works there, and he said that they're processing their items different. They used to get the donations, they would spray them. It's like a Febreze kind of thing to make them smell better, so it doesn't smell like a thrift store, I guess. But they used to keep them in the back, and I guess like bring them out in themes like kids' clothes, men's. So now they're just processing them and bringing them straight to the floor as soon as they can. So like I was there yesterday, and during lunch, like 30-minute lunch, and they brought out like 4 or 5 racks, like back to back to back. And then he's like, that's what he told me. So after I got off work at like 2, I went back over there, and then they were still bringing back to back to back racks. And this was on one of the racks, and something told me I should go back. This is a Vera Bradley. It is a size large, extra large. It is a hooded, fuzzy robe, paisley, colorful robe. Feels like new. Yeah. So my Goodwill prices them at robes at $4. So I paid $4 for this Vera Bradley robe. I mean, I hope to get like $30 at least for it. Vera Bradley, I love Vera Bradley. Sorry for the messy hair today. It's my one day off, and I was like super lazy. I planned on doing the live today, just like fresh face and crazy hair. And then the last thing I picked up this week, I took a little chance on this. I went to a store. We have a store called A to Z, and it's like a discount store. So they sell a lot of food, sell non-food, but they have pallets in the middle of the floor, and they have just like either cases of stuff, or they sell them singles. It just depends. They were selling these for like $1.50 a box, or $6 for a case, and there's 6 in each case. So I grabbed a case, and I was like, yeah, I'll try these out. I didn't do a whole lot of research. I know a lot of people like Thrive stuff from the brand called Level. This is Thrive Fit. I did do some research when I got home, and I got them listed though during lunchtime. So I bought them at lunch, and I listed a box right away. I will show you my pictures and the listing here, but how I did it. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, so I went in the back seat, and you do what you got to do. I went in the back seat, and I had a box back there. I set one of these on the box. Took a picture, flipped it around, took a picture. My background was like super like ugly, because I had some bags in the back seat. And then I, opened it up, took that picture, took a picture of the bottom, and then I used my photo editing app called Bizart. I've done a video tutorial before about how to get rid of the backgrounds and make just a crisp white background. I will link it above. But I took those pictures, and I cleaned them up really good, really fast, and I listed them. Paid $1 each. I had them listed for $25 plus $8.55 shipping, which is a padded flat rate. I knew I could fit one of these in a padded flat rate, so they were going to pay for shipping. The only ones I've seen listed were for this build. There's 3 different kinds, but the only ones I seen listed for this build were on Poshmark, and I wasn't about to list them on Poshmark. They had them listed for like $20, $25 maybe, because I don't think that you can sell food or supplements on Poshmark, and I wasn't about to do something I wasn't supposed to do. But this Thrive Fit, it came out in like, I think October of 2018. This does have a manufacturer date of 2018, and I did some research, and they said that their stuff is typically good for 5 years shelf. 5-year shelf life, can be up to 10 years depending. So it's not expired. It's just a manufacturer date, which is different. But there's 3 pieces to this Thrive Fit, or there was. So there was the Circulate, which is like your pre-workout. There was the Build, and then there is your Recover. So the build was mainly a whole lot of proteins and stuff that help you, you know, build and stuff. And then the recovery was something different. So since then, I don't know what happened and why they eliminated the build. I think maybe they didn't think they needed 3, so they took a lot of the proteins and the stuff that was in the build, and they put some in the circulate and some in the recover. So there's no longer a build. If you look on their website, there's just circulate and there's recover. So there was like several different flavors of this before. This is the vanilla ice cream drink mix. But yeah, it's packed full of proteins. It's awesome. I thought, you know, if anything, if these didn't sell, I could make some shakes for my son. He's kind of scrawny. He'd like it because it's vanilla ice cream. But within, let's see, less than 24 hours, I sold 2 of these to one person. So what I did was I didn't want to wait because it was Friday. I didn't want to wait. So I went back to that same store because I worked right around the corner from it, and I bought 3 more cases. And I got my package ready while I was at work, and I paid for my shipping label and everything through eBay because I had these listed on eBay. And then I did the QR code and I printed it, you know, at work or whatever, because you can print your shipping labels. I don't know if you guys know that you can do that, but you can print your shipping labels now, even with your mobile device. Used to, you never were able to select the QR code option from your phone, only from your desktop. But now you have the option. It gives you the option to print from your phone, and then they immediately send that QR code to your email. So I was able to pull that QR code up like almost immediately, and it printed right away at the post office when I went back to work. So the 2 boxes that I sold of these already paid for the 4 cases that I bought because they were $6 a case, so that's $24. Sold those 2 boxes for $45 because I had a what's it called, a volume discount. So when you buy 2, you get 10% off. So they bought 2 and they paid $45 instead of $50 plus the shipping. And I think I ended up paying like $8.58 for the shipping, and they paid $8.55 instead of, I guess since I had the padded flat rate chose for the 1, it automatically selected that to ship both of those in, and it wouldn't fit in a padded flat rate unless you take it out of the box, and I wasn't about to do that. But so I was able, since it was only going to Texas, I was able to put it in one of those priority shoe boxes, and it fit perfect. So I think that's what I'm going to ship these in, unless they go to like California or something like that. But yeah, build. A lot of times people get really hooked on a certain flavor or item and then discontinue it, and then they go looking for it and they can't find it, so they're willing to pay up for that. I think that that's still a good price. I want to say that these were like $50 before through Thrive. So yeah, I think it's a good, I mean, even though I bought 3 more cases, all of those cases are anything else I sell out of those is total profit because I'm already in the plus for those. So yeah, I forgot about this. There is one more item. This is a Barrick, the collection works of Barrick 2. I believe this is vintage. It's still crisp and feels like new. Some of this brand is listed and sold for $50 to $100. So I think I can at least get this. Look at those colors. That screams vintage. They're wide-armed sleeves, and it's got it zips down there, but look at the rhinestone embellishment all the way down the front. That is adorable. So anyways, I picked this up. I paid, I think, $4.50 or $5.50 at my Goodwill. Hoping to at least get 50. But anyways, that's what I picked up this week. I didn't shop a whole lot. I was trying to be extra good. Because I have so much I need to list. So much. I'm surrounded by everything. Y'all just don't know. Anyways, quick haul this week. if you guys are interested in checking out my live sale. I'm doing it with another reseller named Lori Jean. She is lovebella.s on Instagram. We're going to do some summer vibe items, and we hope to see you guys there. She usually has some really good stuff, guys. So come see us. Anyways, have a good night, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.